Have you ever looked at a fresh cucumber and wondered, can I actually grow a whole cucumber plant from this? Most people throw cucumber seeds away without realizing they are holding the beginning of an entire garden. Today, I'm going to show you how to grow cucumbers from a cucumber using a simple method anyone can try, even if you have no garden, no expensive equipment, and only a small space. By the end of this video, you'll see how one simple cucumber can become many fresh cucumbers growing right at home. Let's start this little gardening experiment. First, choose the right cucumber. You need a mature, healthy cucumber. Avoid cucumbers that are too young because their seeds may not be fully developed. A good cucumber for saving seeds is usually larger, slightly yellowish, and has mature seeds inside. Cut the cucumber open and carefully remove the seeds. Place the seeds in a small container with water and allow them to sit for a few days. This fermentation process helps remove the slimy coating around the seeds and improves germination. After a few days, wash the seeds and dry them completely. Now comes the exciting part, planting. For this experiment, you don't need a large garden. A simple container, bucket, or grow bag can work perfectly. Fill your container with a rich soil mixture. My favorite mix is garden soil for minerals, compost for nutrients, coconut coir or dry leaves to improve drainage. Cucumbers are hungry plants, so giving them good soil at the beginning makes a huge difference. Plant your cucumber seeds about 1 inch deep and cover them lightly with soil. Keep the soil moist, but don't make it waterlogged. After about 3 to 10 days, you should start seeing tiny green cucumber seedlings pushing through the soil. This is one of the most exciting moments for any gardener. Watching new life appear from something you almost threw away. Once the seedlings grow stronger, give them plenty of sunlight. Cucumbers love sunshine. They also love climbing, so provide support using sticks, strings, or a small trellis. A climbing cucumber plant can produce many more fruits because the leaves receive better sunlight and airflow. Now, here is the secret many beginners miss. Feed your cucumber plants regularly. You can use compost tea, aged compost, or natural organic fertilizer every few weeks. Healthy roots create healthy plants. And healthy plants create more cucumbers. Within weeks, your cucumber plant will start producing beautiful yellow flowers. But don't worry if you see flowers falling at first. The plant is simply preparing itself. Soon, small cucumbers will begin forming behind the flowers. Imagine this. A few weeks earlier, this plant was only a tiny seed hidden inside a cucumber. Now it is producing fresh food for your family. That is the magic of growing your own vegetables. And the best part? You can grow cucumbers almost anywhere. A balcony, backyard, rooftop, or even a small corner beside your home can become a productive garden. So the next time you eat a cucumber, don't throw away those seeds. You might be holding the beginning of your next harvest. If you enjoyed this cucumber growing experiment, subscribe for more simple gardening ideas where we turn small spaces into amazing gardens. And comment below. Would you try growing cucumbers from a cucumber? I would love to know. Happy gardening! Cucumber seedling.